Watch out for the hand.
Yeah. There we go.
I'm down. Fuck.
Are you? Shit.
Yep. Alright, awesome. Thank you.
I'm about to be down. Fuck.
You're
Fuck
good.
this fucking tentacle fucking pussy fuck. Get out of here.
God, those iframes on the mark are so good. So good.
Yeah.
Alright, my ult is gonna be up soon. Oh, what the fuck is this?
I don't want to know, and I'm gonna run.
What is that bomb?
Yep.
Get the hell away from whatever that is.
Yeah, dude.
I do want to watch that. Holy
Oh!
Instant sleep death, dude. Instant snooze, dude.
Oh, that is some bullshit. Get Spenny.
Yeah, get
Spenny.
me and I'll get him. I got my ult ready. You were like, get the hell away from it, and I just walked towards one of them. Oh, you got the fucking horn.
Oh yeah, I got
fuck, dude.
Alright.
My ult's gonna be ready too. We might be able to stagger it.
Watch out for the jellies.
Yeah, let the tornado take care of them. Ow, 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 ow. There it is.
I think it's staggered.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Let's get the repose. Let's go.
Repose.
Popping my ults.
Oh, man.
Oh,
I'm fucking popping some fucking grease, dude.
Yeah, I'm popping the physic I had. Let me try to, It's going to sleep attack. Sleep attack. Put me to sleep, but
dude,
I'm gonna die.
Just get it. Just get it. Just get it.
Try to res me. I'm easy. Oh no, get away. He's doing the instant sleep.
I know, but I want to get you first. Ugh, I have no stamina. Fuck.
Run, you fucker. Fuck.
Please survive, Spenny. Please survive. He's literally one hit away.
Yep. Oh no. Oh no.
He got me up. It's okay.
Oh no.
I'm up. We got it.
Dude,
we got
yes. What the fuck just happened?
I don't know. I'm not complaining though. What the fuck just happened?
What the fuck just happened?
Oh, that was sick.
I'm gonna fucking save that.